Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix MacBook Pro 2017 loud fan sound. The first thing you have to do, you have to make sure you have all the correct tools to open the screws here, because these screws are very tiny. It's like 6 screws. You have to take out all the screws. Okay. After you take out all the screw, okay, you have to open it, okay, and you watch the CD where I'm opening it. You start like this first, okay. After you open halfway the front like this, then you slide it. You have to slide it in front like this, okay. You slide it, just slide it like this, then you open it. After you open it, this problem always be on the battery connector. This fan problem, the loud sound you heard every time when you on it, you see the sound will make loud sound like that. It always be on the battery connector. The problem always there, so you have to check the battery connector if it's fixed properly. If it's not fixed properly, will cause you this kind of sound on your laptop. So sometimes you don't need to open the battery connector. Make sure you fix properly, you fix it well, then you test it, then it's going to be okay. It's something very easy, okay, but you have to be careful the way you do it also, so you don't damage the motherboard. Take out the battery connector, this one. Sometimes when this one shake a bit, cause this kind of sound, so you need to check it properly and clean it. Sometimes when it's dirty too, can cause this fan to go loud sound, and you cannot see the battery terminal. You cannot see the battery percentage also on the laptop. So you have to check this terminal properly, check the battery connector properly. Disconnect the battery. After you disconnect the battery, you have to check the line and clean it properly. Make sure everything is clean, perfect. Then you fix it. You make sure you clean the connection. Make sure you clean it properly, because this one, when it's not connected properly, always do these kind of things. You make sure you clean it properly. And make sure you fix it very good. Finish, clean the connector perfectly, and you fix it very well. Make sure it's fixed properly, okay, and you make sure you correspond everything. I think now it's good to go. You need to test it first before you put the back cover and see if the fan is turning very hard and making some noise, because that noise you hear, that is from the fan. If the battery terminal is not fixed perfectly, the fan will do like that, and the battery will not show any percentage on the laptop. Okay, after you do like that, now you need to on the laptop and see if the sound is coming from there again. Okay, you see now the laptop is on, but no sound, unless if the processor is getting hot, then you hear the sound a bit not higher. Before, when you on it, the sound was making vroom, even when the laptop is not hot. Okay, now it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.